That's right. Got me a new mower. Got me a new mower, YouTube. Oh, got that first commercial grade zero turn. First one. The Toro Titan, the ZX 5400. It's good for what we do. Like I said, it's my first mower, my first commercial grade mower. It took me 6 years, y'all, to get this thing, man, and I'm very excited, man. But I finally got it. Finally got it, man. Made a few passes on it. We gotta cut. See, my little brother, he don't like wearing his vest. Shouts out to Blades of Grass, man. Hey, bro, I like that idea. You know, the vest, it just for me is making a clean look, man. So what I did, I went out and I had some old vests around, and I went ahead and I just got my logo on the back of them. But I really I like that, you know. I mean, we got my other brother got his vest on him. We do a lot of, like, we live out in the country, so it's a lot of grass you might do, and it got a lot of cars passed because these little small places. So, you gotta cut all of this. All of this. I'm gonna show y'all my other truck. I was so excited. I took off my cooking out and put that one now. I said, man, I think I can do it with this one. My truck right there. 92 Suburban. You know, I'm gonna tell y'all later on about that story with the Suburban and the color. It's very sentimental to me. But I'll give y'all another vlog on this some other time. This is a property we have to cut. All of that. From that hill all the way just to that big black spot right there. You gotta cut that. And now all the way to here. From here all the way to there. Why? I think it's right at it's the acre of land we gotta cut. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm excited, man. My first zero turn. We got it yesterday. My wife surprised me with it. So I'm thinking she was calling me to tell me something. Come outside. Like, oh man, I don't watch television right now. No, come outside. I came outside, man, and that's what it was. She had me that. You know, I was very grateful for that. Let me get this yard done. This is a little glimpse of it. A little piece of property. We're gonna have all this trimmed up. We finished with this. Take a picture of it. All that. Show you the front. The brother right there. Everybody who worked for me is pretty much family, you know. I had a few other outside employees that they didn't make it, you know. So I got enough brothers. They were like, hey man, let's go. I ain't doing nothing. So we definitely out here, man. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned, YouTube. Thank y'all. Like, subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Peace.